Hello, and welcome to the HighpowerOne Access Control System tutorials. This video will be a simple introduction of the unit and its components. The HighpowerOne is an 8-door standalone access control system with an onboard free software and a 7-inch touchscreen display. It interfaces with both Weekend and Clock and Data Track 2 ABA type card readers. The unit incorporates an advanced single-board computer running on Windows 10 that, in conjunction with the proprietary user-friendly software, provides a full system programming through touchscreen interface. The latest SD storage holds millions of card numbers, holidays, schedules, and activity records. The benefit of having onboard software and a touchscreen display is the rapid deployment. The system will operate as soon as it's wired and plugged in. It bypasses the need for having customers' IT department on site for the installation and gives the installer the ability to program the system in minutes. The board sits in an enclosure with roughly 2 inches of clearance behind it to allow space for wire accommodations. The enclosure is plastic because this material allows the onboard Wi-Fi adapter to function at full range. The unit also has a wired Ethernet port. Both interfaces can be used to remote control using the High Power Management System software and for integration to third-party applications. Also included are 4 USB ports used to connect keyboard and mouse, external sound card for connecting a speaker, and a flash drive for making backups. External USB flash drive can also be used to generate audit trail reports as a CVS file and includes a PDF library of information that can be displayed on the touchscreen for reference in the field. The 8 terminal blocks, each for one of the doors, are removable for easy access and can be repositioned should the reader be wired initially to an incorrect location. The unit runs off of a low voltage power supply included in the package. It can be connected to a UPS or run off of a PoE switch using an optional PoE adapter. The USB furnished with the unit contains license-free management software called High Power Management System, or HMS, for controlling the unit from multiple Windows PCs. This application is mostly used for facilities with more than 8 doors, since it can connect and control multiple HighpowerOne panels from one computer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send them to the email displaying on the screen.